Cece. Cordo Cato was a bright, young woman. She wasn't the strongest or the most cunning, but she shone like a star. As a child, her wits got her into trouble, building mechanical creatures out of household tools like her mom's brand new dishwasher. Many saw mischief, but what I saw was a lonely, isolated lady, sheltered by the knowing guidance of a fortune-telling mother. Her brilliant brain lay dormant in her stagnant environment. What her mother couldn't foresee was her split decision to run away with me. Or, as the story goes, I ran away with her. I ran into those eyes, deep as an ocean. I splashed and swam in them, living lovingly in their caring currents. Who could say no to that vibrancy when the place in which you live is a desolate desert? Some say I've swam too deep, that I'd soon enough drown in this love for her. But when she had just made my heart new again, when she shone her bright light and made me shine too, dear gods, I'd let my eternal lungs fill with salt water before I let her go. End of recording 4.